In this clip, we're going to do a little bit more refinement working on the foot and the shape of the bowl. You've noticed that I've switched from the straight tool rest to a curved tool rest, and there's a couple of reasons that I've done that. The first is that the curved tool rest allows me to stay close as possible to the shape of the bowl, and the second reason, and maybe a little less obvious, is the shape of the tool rest gives me a reference or a shape to follow as I'm forming the outside of the bowl. What I'm looking for right here is I want to give myself a 90-degree angle, or just like that, in my foot. So I'm going to make sure that I've got a nice clean cut, and for that I've switched to a little smaller bowl gouge. It's a 1/2 inch bowl gouge, and it gives me an opportunity to get a little closer in there.